What's up, Wretched Nation? Today we're just going to have a quick, simple video for you guys. I realized I'd never really done this, I don't think. So we're just going to do a quick sound clip for the Dyna on our Road Rage Bassani exhaust. If you are into motorcycles and different stuff like that, content, please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's get into it. First and foremost, real quick, this is a 2010 Dyna twin cam 96-inch cubic inch, pretty much stock. There's nothing internal wise. It does have a power vision and it does have the Arlen S Big Sucker intake, but the motor itself stock cam, so this is what you're going to hear basically right out the box. There is some different configurations for this exhaust, but I'm pretty sure they all sound pretty close to the same, because there's not a whole lot difference in length. It's a lot of different as far as fitment goes for your controls, your oil cap, and your shocks, really. Which is kind of nice about this exhaust. It does offer you a lot of options. But let's get into it. This is a very cold start as far as the engine goes, but not as far as the weather. It's like 90 degrees out here, but we have not ran this motorcycle today. The exhaust itself is kind of warm, mainly just because of the sun. It's like 95 out here, but you know, as you can see, definitely has not ran today, but let's see what it sounds like. My opinion, great sound, great performance. We did do like an install and a review for this. I will link that down in the description and probably have a card up top to check that stuff out as well. Super simple and sweet. Again, if you like this, definitely hit that like button. If you got a question about the exhaust or anything, definitely comment down below and ask that, and I'll try to answer the best as possible. But subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. But as always, keep it wretched.